I think probably the top one or two perhaps would be, one, look outside your normal pool. So go to career fairs. If you need to, and absolutely must, recruit graduates, then go to universities, but try and look wider. Also ask the people who are in your organisation that you want to recruit to refer their friends. That's probably the first one. The second one, which I think is really important, is debadge your CVs. Remove location, remove names, remove pictures if they come through like that. Anything that hints education, really important. Anything that hints at who they might be or where they might be from, take it from a CV and just look at it based on skills purely. Can they do the job? Will they have the ability to do the job with some training by the end of the probation period? And then refine your CVs off the back of that. Compare them like for like based on everything else removed and see what pops up.